Pakistan. In the air, put down. Sharp chance. Goes to ground.
There's never a dull moment when this man is on strike. Hitting it in the air, and that should have been taken.
Tendulkar cuts into the gap and the first boundary of this Indian innings.
Huge crowd here. Rana Naveed shorter in length and provided the batsman with that.
That's in the air, should be taken. He's misjudged the length. Johanna makes no mistake, that ball just bouncing on him.
Not be too happy with this shot selection. Ball not very short, he's just come in. In the end, nice easy catch for.
He bowled him. The leg stump has gone for a walk. He's walked across the stumps. Rana Naveed hits timber.
You find new ways of getting out. His leg stump. Sourav Ganguly.
That's a very good start from Rana Naveed. That's 4 first runs for Sehwag. And it's a meaty strike on the onside. That's edge, put down. And to add insult to injury. There you go. 2 boundaries in the over. He was beaten the first 2 balls. That's shipped in the air. It's all happening here.
Nicely played. Beautiful shot. Chase from Abdul Razak. Beg your pardon, Arshad Khan.
But mind you, another 4. But this time a very controlled shot by Sehwag. Out. Billy Bowden says no. The contention here is for Sami Heating.
Pakistan operating without a slip. And that's a boundary. A costly one. I was hoping in Zaman 4.
100 comes up for India. Talking about the hit, have a look at that crowd. Nothing on their head. There's no roof. There you see. He goes for the big one and finds the gap.
Yes, he was lucky, no doubt about it, but really played well for the bowlers and take his chances.
Good placement. This is a good over for India. Sehwag at his best. What a shot.
The internationals for Pakistan.
Well, he's decided to take him on. This is where he's so good, Sehwag. He goes for the big one. That's out of the ground. For him. And he goes again. This time doesn't get the elevation, but finds the boundary all right. Looking to take off.
Beautiful shot once again. That'll be 4. And he gets that boundary very early.
There it is. He's in the 90s and this is to be expected. Another biggie from Sehwag.
You can talk of nothing else. A lot of running that these two have done, and that's well run. It's Rahul Dravid who's struggling, and they've asked for the third umpire. May have done it. Otherwise, he's in. Rana has come into bowl. Sehwag on 99, and he gets 100. What a stunning innings this has been. Virendra Sehwag, 100 not out.
He's very happy. You know, great shot. This is a very good shot from Dravid. One bounce into the advertising hoardings.
Absolute delight.
They were very sensible. They were looking to score singles. It's a dead ball.
And what's happened there has bowled in. So a blistering innings.
Really turning out to be in favour of Pakistan. Decides and gets some good overs. Nicely played. What timing that was. 4 runs to end the over. 208 for 3.
Oh, lovely shot. He's just picked it up. Chipped it over the infield. Oh, that's smashed on the onside. That's hit with tremendous power by Yuvraj Singh. Short delivery. He picked up the length quickly. Now Arshad Khan starting off with a loose one down the leg side. That's in the air. And taken. Very good catch.
Gets that 100. It's his 10th one-day 100. And he'll remember this one purely because of the physical challenges. Really accentuates Dravid's contribution. That's in the air. Shahid Afridi a bit late to react, but he's taken a catch. And it's a good one.
His walking's come down.
Taken. Another catch in the deep has been taken. Wicket. And I can also add
1 for 3.
Yeah, that's a good point to make, Ramiz. Another director is gone. Just given up Dravid. There he goes. Goes for the big shot. Only to find his stumps rattled by a very experienced Arshad Khan, who knows exactly what the batsman is about to do.
What a good comeback this has been from Arshad Khan. Now, describe that side on.
There he goes. Harbhajan Singh might just find himself caught by Salman Butt. Now he was going to lose his balance. What he's done is just got the ball back into play. Nicely struck. Harbhajan Singh is coming back. And India have picked.
Kamran Akmal.
First runs for Pakistan. Good solid blow by Salman Butt down the ground. First boundary of the innings. And Pakistan on their way. In the gap. Very risky. Second boundary for Salman Butt. No, he's not quite timed it, but this is a quick outfield. The ball will still reach the boundary. So that's all what Pakistan wanted this. Oh, that's a good shot again, just standing up tall and punching it through the offside. Again a tease for the fielder. Again the ball wins. So the boundary is coming thick and fast for the left-hander. That is a lovely shot. No need to run for that. With very good reflexes.
And it's taken. Brilliantly done at point. Good reflex catch. And it's Virender Sehwag. Move paying off. Saurav Ganguly.
And like his batting, legs catching also looks for India to come back.
That's gone over the top. Not an auspicious start.
There.
Catch it is the call and he's got it. What a wicket. Ashish Nehra has struck. Too late really to think about that shot now.
Was following him, he wasn't catching those, but this is a very good catch. Pak.
It's in the air and gone. Another rash shot. And Pakistan's slump continued. Happy Indian faces, happy Indian team.
49 for 3 Pakistan. Underestimate the bowler.
He's found the gap.
This is beautifully timed and placed. So finally he gets the boundary. Inzamam. Is that taken? He goes up. That's a brilliant catch. That is an absolutely stunning.
This is quite unbelievable. Coming back in another. Look at this. And it's to his wrong hand, to his right hand. What a take. Amazing. 1 for 0.
Takes the single.
He's got it in the gap, and that's for
He's gone for the big one. He's cleared it. That's a 6.
Bowler is there for the taking. Has he bowled him? Has he got the magic wicket? They feel he has. Inzamam is not sure, but I suspect he's got to walk back. This is a big wicket for Sachin Tendulkar.
Quicker one in Zamamul Haq is still a quicker one from Sachin Tendulkar. And yes, clip the top of the bail. That's good enough for India. It's good enough for Sachin.
And I suspect Pakistan are now in.
He's gone for the big one. He's connected well. That's another 6. Mighty blow from Mohammad Hafiz. Catch it. He's got it with a rank loose delivery. Would you believe it? He strikes gold with a useless ball.
In flight, he's bowling leg spin outside the leg stump, full toss, and he top edges it straight into that field. Take a look at that for reaction. Well done. 9 for 6. That's his one far.
He finds the gap this time. What do they call it, Arun? Commentator's curse. Catch it is the call. Zair Khan will steady himself and he catches it well in the end. Third wicket for Sachin Tendulkar. Either Afridi hitting against the spin, taking a lot of risk.
For the Pakistanis, started bowling his leg breaks into the rough. They had to go, and eventually a good take by for 8. Pakistan.
Gone. Fourth wicket for Tendulkar. He's having another dream run here in Cochin.
Pakistan looking down.
Interesting appeal from Dhoni. And that could be his 5th wicket. Can you believe it? Yes, it is. In fact, he's been lifted by the teammates almost. 5-wicket haul once again at Cochin for Tendulkar. It's something about grounds with the ball, not so much with the bat.
In terms of a bowler, and remember he has only 10 overs. Doesn't often happen you get 5 wickets. It doesn't matter what delivery.
Or something like that. But this has been punched to the extra cover boundary for 4. His mind for the game very intelligently. That is a good hit. That'll go for 4. That is a good, firm, solid hit.
That's much better. That's gone the distance. Billy Bowden will signal a 6.
Would really be a happy man today. He's bowled in, he's cleaned him up, and with that, it's victory to India in the first match of this Pepsi series.
Sourav Ganguly can now sleep quite easily. It was Zaid Khan who hit the bullseye.
Sachin Tendulkar. So India